Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll be showing you the procedure to use multiple device mode on WhatsApp. That means using or logging in your WhatsApp into multiple devices. So what you need is this process requires your primary phone number already using WhatsApp and then a secondary device with the WhatsApp installed. So what next you want to do is you want to simply open the WhatsApp onto your device and then click on the three dot icon at the top or right corner of the screen and click on settings. As you go to settings, you could go ahead and look for the link device, or else you could just go ahead and make sure to click on the three dot icon and click on link device. As you click on it, make sure to tap on link a device and it's going to ask you to unlock it. So make sure to go ahead and enable your biometric, and once done with that, you need to go ahead and scan the QR code onto the other device, and that way you'll be able to use multiple device, or you'll have successfully used multiple device mode on your device. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.